Hey guys, so today we're going to cover over our option alert service that we have and trade recommendations on our website. So this is the first place you'll want to get started. You'll start here on our website, OptionTradeKings.com, and you'll go over to the Discord button right here. And once you pick that, then it's going to rebound you over here to our Discord. So the first place that I recommend getting started is our trade guide. So our trade guide talks about, the rules and regulations that we have on our trades, as well as kind of it goes over a lot of um, ideology behind our alerts that we give out. Okay. We also have our trade history, which shows our recent trades that we've done or alerted. Have our Tesla trade, our BMO trade at 1400%, X, which was 61, PFE, etc. Neo, go through all that once you join. But if you'd like to, you can go over to purchase premium alerts, which we do charge a $30 per month fee. And you can either do that here or you can go on the website and you can click the subscribe button, which will redirect you over to our launch pass. Okay. So anyways, kind of going into the learning zone that's kind of being built right now. I'm looking to put out a bunch of videos over things that y'all can do to get better at trading and how to manage risk, how to grow your portfolio. Even with the small account, you can definitely enter in some of these trades. I would say the main boundary right there, or a good start with your portfolio size would be around $500. And with a $500 account, you can average around 25% per week. The goal with that is mainly to hit at least 1% a day. That's the goal. If we hit 1% a day, if you had a $500 account, the math behind it, 37.75. So 1% a day per year is $18,000. If you started with an $18,000 account and went 37.75, that's $712,000. What we're looking for is consistency with our trades, so we want to make sure that we're, at the lowest at least getting 1% a day. So if we got 20% a week, we would have already hit our target for this week and the next week. So it's all about, keeping in mind on the percentage. It's not always all about the money that you gain. So I recommend only paying attention to the percentage. If you have a smaller account and you see that you got $50 and you really, really want $100 or $1,000, you're just being greedy. And that can definitely lead you to blowing your account. So definitely recommend to just pay attention to the percentage and try to be as consistent as possible with your trades. Okay. Overview of the trade chat. So trade chat really, I would like for it to get a little bit more active with other people being more affiliated in this chat. The main thing is what I like to do in here is just discuss a lot of trades. And UNH, this one was definitely one of the things that we were talking about in the chat. It was a rumor that was just going on of a good entry. And I know UNH, me personally, I knew UNH was going to be a big deal because coronavirus stuff, and it was at all-time lows on this channel right here. Not, well, the low area on this lower channel. So I knew, yeah, we could definitely enter a good trade here, and that actually netted around 4,000%, or I'm sorry, 2,000%. And if we go into our options alert right here, UNH was 121 per contract. Our target was 9 per contract as a swing. We held that. I personally took profits at around 350%, but it actually doubled. It went over this to $1,800. So it went from $121 to $1,800. And if you don't know what I'm talking about with options, I would highly recommend just looking at the basics of that. Okay. We do give a little bit of stock alerts, but penny stock alerts with these, I recommend just taking in small position sizes, so less than 20% of your total portfolio into our penny stock alerts. One of our traders, Sir Giro, alerted KXIN at 250. So KXIN at 250, and he was looking for he set his stop loss at 128. He was looking for probably around a $4 profit. If we go, or a $4 price target on that. If we go down to KXIN now, KXI went in, was at 2, and it went all the way up to $13. And with these trades, you got to be extra careful because they are penny stocks and they are super volatile, as you can see with the change right here. So with these, I definitely recommend setting a trailing stop loss order so you can step away from the trade if you can't monitor it as well, you know. So just set your stop loss and go about your day. You don't want to sit there and focus on charts. And what that does is it, from where your purchase entry was at 267, your total stop loss that you'd like to lose is 30%. So it will say if the price drops below here at 30%, you're out. But if it goes up to $13, your stop loss is now 30% lower than wherever it went. So if it went up to $13, your stop loss is now down here. So definitely recommend looking into that, how to set up those orders. Okay, option alerts. These are the main ones that I put out, and it has a lot of internal dialogue, like you say right here. Me trying to just pick the best, you know, trying to fill you in with what I'm thinking with the trade, what's the most effective way, and stuff like that, setups. I recommend if you do see these, do your own individual research on it. I'm not technically saying to buy it, but I'm saying I'm personally opening this trade. If you see open, and we also alert the closed. So if I close the trade, I'll close it, and I'll alert it in here. Close one, blah blah. This one actually, I personally took 30%. It went all the way up to 180%. So it's all about, you know, just managing risk, being happy with your profits. 30% is actually really good. It's better than negative 30%, right? So with the flow feed, so we have just some alerts in here with unusual NEO calls. And there were 63 calls with someone put $171,000 worth on these specific calls right here. So one thing to, you know, use as a tool. Don't really follow it. With the diamond alerts, so these are posted mainly on Fridays by the end of the day. And with these, I recommend just 100% just low position size. I run just one contract because you're risking $15 for a potential, you know, $300 profit. So these are lottery trades. They are highly risk or high risk, high reward trades that I would recommend not setting your position size high in. BMO is a good example.
right here, as well as UNH. I believe I put, yeah, UNH was in here. Technically, this was a high risk trade because I was risking $121. That could have gone to zero, but instead it went to $1,800. Let's see. BMO actually went from $25 to $365. Knee, I believe that one went to $40, so around negative 50. And feel free to even look at it. If the price drops down to $45, feel free to enter. But do your own research with that. AMC puts, this one could be a potential smart play because um, we do have all the stuff going on in the office right now of, Trump possibly getting elected and reelected, and Biden went to close uh, close us back down, put us back on to lockdown. So it could be a potential good play right here in AMC. Lockdowns are not good. So, anyways, watch list. So watch list, we have pretty much what I'm thinking, what I'm looking at, what I'm paying attention to. BAC, Amazon, Twitter, XOM, Walmart. Long-term accounts, I post my mainly my Roth. So Roth positions. That's, you don't know what a Roth is, I researched that, but pretty much it's non-taxable income. So, and you'll have to wait till you are quite quite a bit old before you can take out this money that you put into your Roth. So, anyways, I want to get into that, but recommend looking into those. Anyways, that's really all I had to cover, but I'm looking forward to getting this on the road and getting this talking. So